Hello everyone, I welcome you back to my channel Stylish Me and You. Today I'll be talking about some jackets and winter wear both for men and women. As we all know, jackets are an essential part of our wardrobe. So having a wonderful stylish jacket is very essential to improve our fashion sense. So let's talk about some jackets. Now these are some stylish leather jackets which are very versatile and can be used by both men and women. This is a stylish black leather jacket which can be used by women with jeans or any other western wear. This is also a stylish silver colored leather jacket for women. This is a maroon colored leather jacket for women. This is a brown colored leather jacket for men. Now this is a black colored leather jacket which is a motorcycle jacket for men. Now these are black colored leather jackets which can be used both by men and women as they are very stylish and trendy. This is a stylish yellow colored waist length leather jacket for women. This is a bright red colored leather jacket for men. Now these are some more leather jackets for women. These are green and blue colored jackets. Now this is a yellow colored leather jacket which has a high neck. Now this is a pink colored leather jacket for women. It can be used with leather pants or leather skirts. Now this is a golden colored leather jacket for men. Now this is a brown or tan colored leather jacket for women. This is a bright red colored leather jacket for men. This is also a brown colored leather jacket for women but with a stylish neckline. This is another black leather jacket for women but with a shorter sleeve. Now these are some more down jackets which are both for men and women. These are some down jackets which can be used by women and girls. Now this is a very stylish light blue colored knee-length down jacket which can be used by women. This is a red colored down jacket for men. Now this is a silver colored hooded down jacket for men. Now this is a very long down jacket and it is light purple in color. It is very good for women and girls. This is a black colored down jacket with hood for men. These are some more down jackets for girls with fur. Now this is another white colored down jacket for men. Now this is a white denim jacket with buttons for women. This is a very stylish distressed denim jacket for women. This is a blue denim jacket for men with pockets in front. Now these are the normal denim jackets which are regularly used by men and women. Now these are some tweed jackets which can be used as office wear or casual wear both by men and women. This is a maroon colored waist length tweed jacket for women. Now this is an elegant tweed jacket for women which can be used as office wear. Now this is a long tweed jacket for women. This is a bright red colored trench coat for women with big buttons and a belt. This is a white colored long trench coat for women. This is a short sleeved long orange colored trench coat for women. Now these are some more light colored trench coats for women. Now this is a light colored orange trench coat for young girls. Now this is another light blue colored trench coat for women. Now these are some more trench coats for women. Now this is another stylish trench coat for women with fur. These are some more fur jackets which can be used both by men and women. Now these are some fur jackets which can be used by both men and women. Now this is another light brown colored jacket with fur. Now this is another beautiful white colored fur jacket for women. Now this is a black colored fur jacket for men. I hope you have enjoyed my choice of jackets and winter wear. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it.